Hello and good evening, everybody. This is Travis here at Kinion Auto Sales and Classics, and I am doing the video tonight on this 1972 Plymouth Duster. Gorgeous looking car. Exterior in orange, and it is sharp. The paint job on this is very, very good. This car has a 360 cubic inch V8 engine in it, a 3-speed automatic transmission with center console and a Hurst shifter. It is sharp from top to bottom, very clean, and a solid car all around. I want to take you in close here and show you as much as I can, like we try to do. It does have also a brand new set of Cragar wheels on it that look great in my opinion. Black vinyl top you can see there. And you can see the condition of the chrome and the bright work along here. And is it brand new or perfect? No, but this is a 1972 car, and overall this car is in excellent shape. It has had a pretty recent cosmetic restoration. We can probably get you details on what recent means, but I know Adam told me it was a recent cosmetic restoration. And you can see the lines on this as you go down. Still not perfect with this gimbal, but we're trying. We're figuring it out. Got the spoiler on the back. The bumpers are not new, but really the only thing I can even see on them is a couple of water spots. Going around looking for any kind of like imperfections. I suppose there's a few spots on the gas gauge there. I'm not sure if some of that's now yet. It's a little pitting there, but and same with like the door handle here. But other than that, this car, I mean, you can see. Let's take a look inside. You can see going along the door here how good that looks. Better a set of rally speakers back there with some LED lights on, which are kind of cool. It's got LED lights on the ceiling that work as well. Sorry for that, everybody. Forgive us as we're learning this gimbal phase. You can see the seats. It's got bucket seats, center console. Dash is in very good condition. There's one little imperfection here. Other than that, the rest of the dash is pretty much perfect. The carpet in it is brand new or like new. We can take a look under the hood here as well. That's the type of thing you want to see when you open a hood, this type of engine bay. I mean, the attention to detail is obvious. You know, painted firewall, painted fender wells. You've got an Edelbrock air filter Edelbrock carburetor in here. You've got stainless valve covers, a aluminum radiator, aluminum intake, and you can just tell that when this was restored, it was done with attention to detail. How about we start this thing up? Every time I've got in this thing, it starts with the flick of a key. I was able to drive it a little bit, and it shifts through gears flawlessly for me. Got the little Duster badges there, which I kind of like seeing that. Got some side panel speakers. So here you go, 1972 Plymouth Duster. We try to show you everything here, and if there's anything that I glossed over, then please ask and we'll answer any questions or get you another picture or video or whatever you need. This is a very sharp car. It runs and drives great. And we're talking about a 1970s sleeper here. It's shiny and sharp top to bottom, solid car. We'll have underneath pictures as well. And if you are interested in this car, give us a call. Right below will be our phone number and web address, KinionAuto.com. Please give us a call. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and wait for more videos. Thank you very much. Good night.